It goes without saying that necessity is the mother of invention. It's quite a fact when think of it in terms of cuisine culture of Brahui people, having khroman as one of the major items of their cuisine. Perhaps it is the only grain which changed its name with changing its shape from Abos to khroman. Not every cluster of wheat produces khroman or Abos, but those called Abosi. The condition of the wheat, which has completed its formation and is just ready to steep in dry condition, so the clusters are plucked one by one and the restful bundle called gadav is completed. The number of gadaves differs to the choice of every individual. When the process of making gadaves is completed, then dry twigs, which called chimula in Brahui, to smolder the fire. The clusters are twisted to half cooking in the shape of roasting. When the hair and the cover of the half ripened wheat is burnt, then it is rubbed on palms or on a clean piece of cloth to separate the grains from the waste straws. The leftover straws are further separated by throwing them up as the particles of straw flee away while the heavy seeds of khroman are dropped. In case of non-blowing of air, the straws are separated by putting a small amount on the palm and blow it off with a sigh. The immediate processed are the fresh roasted wheat called abos. But when it dried and grinded to its half, then it turns to be khroman. Khroman is one of the favorite grains of the people of Balochistan from times unknown. They cook it separately and also with meat, which tastes delicious. It is also considered to be useful for asthma patients and gives a relief in chest congestion. Since it is fully dried, so intakes its position for years without any preservative. Khroman also strengthens ties when it is gifted by one family to the others as mark of love and respect.